Hi, everyone. I'm Angela Daniels, and I am here with the Southeast Bend County Library, and we are going to show you how to sign up for our summer reading program today. So, first, you just have to go to our website, and if you don't know the address to that, it's right up here, southssclibrary.org. That's us. And right on our homepage, you'll see lots of really helpful slides. You're going to click through those until you see summer reading. And you're going to click on this bit.ly address right here, Summer Read. And that will take you to our Read Squared accounts. Now, if you have done summer reading with us before and you already have an account, then you are actually ready to go and you can sign in with the account and password that you've used before. If you don't happen to remember that password, if you look right over here, it says, "Did you forget your password? Get it by email." You can click there and they will resend you that password, and then you just have to add your kids to this year's program. If you have not done it online before or don't have any idea what email or anything you might have used, you can go ahead and register again. There's a couple different ways to do that. You can say right here underneath the login, it gives you an option to register now, or there's a button up at the top that also allows you to register. So we're going to click that. If we are going to register, you have a couple of options, myself only. So if as an adult you're participating in our reading program, hooray, we're delighted you're here. You register just yourself. If you'd like to register yourself and other readers, so maybe yourself and your children, fantastic. And if you are wanting your children to participate, this is the option that you would choose. You can also register a whole group or class. So if you are working with a class of students or something like that, that's another way that you can do that. We are going to today register myself and others. So I am an adult. My first participant is going to be 19 plus. So your primary account information. So see right here where it says primary account information, that should probably be the adult, unless you have a really responsible kid that's going to handle it all themselves. So for me, I'm going to sign up for all the adult altogether now. Do I want to log activity for myself in the adult program? Love to. My adult name, we're going to have, let's see, who can be our adult this time? It's going to be Winnie the Pooh. We'll put Winnie, last name, the Pooh. And Winnie's email is going to be entered. And you'll want to make sure that is all set up so that you can receive emails and all that sort of thing. There we go. And his username is going to be Winnie the Pooh. You can use any username that works for you. Your password does require a number, so make sure you have both letters and numbers. It has to be at least 7 digits long. So we're going to go ahead and enter our secret password right here. You're going to enter it one more time. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to add my additional readers. This is where I'm going to put my children. All right, so Winnie the Pooh's first child is 6 years old, and because that child is 6 years old, they're going to be an all together now, and the children's version. And this is going to be Tigger, also last name the Pooh. And the email will stay the same, and you do not have to additionally enter another username and another password. If you leave that part blank, then it will attach all these accounts to the same person. We can continue. Say we have one more we want to add. Let's see, this child is 9 years old. This is going to be also children. Now, if a kid is 10, 11, they can do tween, 13 and above can do teen, and then 19 plus can do adult. So feel free to participate in any of those programs. This child is 9, they're going to be in children's. And we're going to say this child is Rabbit the Pooh. Same email. You don't have to mess with the username and password. Then we're going to say we're done adding readers. Okay, and it's going to tell you, welcome to summer reading. You can earn points, all of those things. And as an adult, it's going to tell us. So now this is the screen where you would log on and log your books or your hours, depending on the program that you're in. But because it's not yet July 10th, our big kickoff date, you can't yet log. However, any book that you or your child has read since the day that school dismissed, you can add to this program. You just can't log it until July 10th. So on Monday, feel free to play a little catch up and log any of those books that you have read since school dismissed this year. You are ready to go, and you are always welcome, of course, to log all of your books on paper, and we have paper at the library if you'd prefer to do that. However, if you log your books on paper, then prizes are not available right away because we have to enter it all into the system. So whatever works for your family is great, but know that if you do it on paperwork, there is a little bit of a delay before your child can receive their prizes. We're delighted that you are participating this year in our summer reading program, and we can't wait to see you at the library.